For part 2 of this video, I'll explain a bit more about the media hubs and some of the other solutions that can work in smaller sized rooms. As you can see here, this is hooked up with a single USB-C lead. So if we want to swap that between computers, if we are using different laptops, or in this case it's a wall-mounted PC and a bring your own laptop type configuration, as soon as you plug in that USB adapter running through the media hub, and of course this would all be installed behind the TV or underneath the boardroom table, you've got one lead to the computer that actually hooks up everything, including your cameras, your speakers, your microphones, your HDMI, etc. That particular there is non-powered, so it wouldn't charge the laptop, but we can add the power adapter, which means that you will, if you've got modern laptops through that media hub, you will actually be delivering power to the laptop as well, which can be quite handy because a lot of laptops will actually go into power save mode if they're not plugged in, so it's quite useful to have that ability. The other thing we have set up in this room is the soundbar system over here. So as you can see, that is a all-in-one system where you have a camera, speakers and microphone all in the soundbar unit, and then of course you can be playing your music through Bluetooth, for example. This particular one has a remote volume control there. So you might not be able to hear the music volume changing, but that is actually able to change the music volume from the soundbar. Useful if the office is a shared space and you want background music streaming from phones via Bluetooth, but not something we'd usually recommend for a full-time meeting room. This is a remote device, so this unit, you can either have a standard USB or USB-C, plug that into your computer and click that to connect your systems to the computer that actually remotely connects to these little dongles. This is a ClickShare, well, sorry, this is similar to a ClickShare product, but we carry a few brands like that. They are good if you want to be able to bring your own laptop into the meeting room, but again, it does add some complications. So personally, I find that the most robust solution is a wall-mounted computer and just having the computer itself invited to the meeting, and that way everything is always connected without having to change any cables or plug in any dongles. If you'd like more information on any of these solutions, please contact AV King. Thank you.